Hi guys, welcome to Tech Electronics. In this video, we'll be taking a look at some of the most exciting and innovative smart gadgets available to buy right now from Amazon and AliExpress. We'll discuss intelligent sneaker with extreme versatility, heat press for sublimation mug projects, ultra-small ultra-maneuverable quadcopter, smart cordless handheld vacuum, reflective rucksack with flashing direction lights. The features and benefits of each, as well as provide our thoughts on which ones are worth the purchase. Upgrade your deadbolt with the all-new August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. Remotely lock or unlock the door, check door status, grant virtual guest keys, and see who's coming and going. Or use your favorite voice assistant to control your door. Our smart door lock is easy to install and attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door so you can keep your original keys. And with built-in Wi-Fi, our lock requires no additional bridge to connect. The August Wi-Fi Smart Lock is depicted as the best smart lock. With August smart door locks, you won't believe what your door can do. Experience a front door that locks after you leave and unlocks when you approach. You have the power with the August app from your phone or Apple Watch. Control and manage your smart door lock with the August app on any iOS or Android smartphone, or use your Apple Watch to come and go. Setup takes minutes and functionality is simple with the August app. The SEER 500 is an all-terrain intelligent sneaker with extreme versatility. The unique 5-gear adjustable air cushion gives you the comfort of a pair of casual sneakers, provides the benefits of sports sneakers, and the style of a more fashionable pair of sneakers. You can choose the most comfortable setting based on different terrains and your feet. Provides you with solid arch support and just the right amount of security, especially for people who walk and stand for long periods of time, effectively reducing foot fatigue and soreness. Furthermore, with the adjustable air cushion, the SEER 500 provides cushioning and stability. For those who may be heavy or elderly, the cushion helps reduce knee wear and tear while also providing ankle cushioning. The SEER 500 has a built-in UV light that effectively destroys bacteria and reduces itching and odor caused by bacteria. The UV irradiation lamp will automatically start when charging, and the fully automated process not only saves time but is also very sanitary. The built-in automatic heating dryer system can raise the temperature inside the shoes to 55 degrees Celsius for fast drying, especially useful during rain and snow. Take advantage of all the features to keep you clean and dry. Get the mug of your dreams with Cricut Mug Press, a pro-level press designed to transform mug blanks 11 ounces, 16 ounces into works of art with designs that last forever. Turn a mug blank into an unforgettable gift for friends, family, and the ones you love. The patent-pending heat plate with zone heating creates consistent results that are peel-proof, dishwasher-safe. Use infusible ink transfer sheets, pens, or markers. This unique heat press for mugs is an ideal companion for all Cricut smart cuting machines. Enjoy a worry-free experience with an auto-off safety feature. Cricut products conform with applicable product standards like UL, CSA, FCC, or IEC standards. Cricut products are also listed or certified nationally recognized testing labs NRTLs such as TUV Intertech. With its featherweight design and powerful motors, the SKEYE Nano drone from TRNDlabs can literally leap into the air with a toss from your hand. Just throttle up and let the ready-to-fly technology do the rest. Whether you've never held the sticks before or you're an expert pilot, you'll be impressed with what this little baby can do. Start with low gyro sensitivity just to get the hang of it, then gradually switch to maximum sensitivity and guide your nano drone in the kind of aerial acrobatics you haven't seen from a quadcopter at this price point. Sophisticated circuitry, piezoelectric gyros, and accelerometers give the SKEYE Nano drone outstanding stability. You can even throw it in the air while throttling up, and it will automatically stabilize. Since the Nano drone uses a direct controller rather than an app, you can fly it with far more precision than larger, more expensive models. Zip it around your living room or take it outside on a calm day, and feel the responsiveness as you bank, barrel roll, and even flip your quadcopter. After just a few minutes behind the controls, you'll know just how much fun flying can be. Thanks to onboard LEDs, you can even take it out and light up the night. Its 3 flight levels make the Nano drone an excellent beginner model. So whether you're learning to fly yourself, or you know someone who'd love to, this is the way to do it, with a small but speedy quadcopter that doesn't cost a small fortune. Fridge-eye, turn your fridge into a smart fridge. This smart gadget connects to your home Wi-Fi and snaps a picture each time your fridge door is closed. Smarter Fridge Eye. You are in the supermarket. You're hungry, you're trying to figure out what you need for dinner Friday night and Saturday lunchtime. And don't you have friends over tomorrow night? Do you need fruit and vegetables? What about milk, eggs? You're thinking, why didn't I check the fridge before I came here? The solution: we got it and we were all there. But smarter ones have the solution. Meet FridgeCam. It is the world's first wireless fridge camera that can be retrofitted to any fridge. So you can see the contents of your fridge from anywhere via the Smarter app. It's a small revolution for your fridge and hopefully your life. You won't be doubling down on groceries, which means less grocery waste and smarter spending. Create your ideal sleep and wake experience through your smartphone. Built-in sensors measure your bedroom's temperature, noise, light and humidity levels, syncing with the Sleep Mapper app and suggesting ways to improve your sleep space. Smart Ambi-Track monitoring for your bedroom. The built-in Ambi-Track sensor measure our bedroom's temperature, noise, light, and humidity levels. You can see this information on your Sleep Mapper app, where it suggests ways to improve your sleep space and routine. Through the Sleep Mapper app, Philips Connected Sleep and Wake Up Light offers you the ability to control your light and personalize your experience. You can set an advanced weekday or weekend alarm with the Advanced Alarm Scheduler that offers 20 different sounds, lights, and intensity patterns. Tailor your waking and sleeping routine with personalized sunrise and accompanying settings by adjusting the light's length and intensity, as well as soothing sounds. From the bright white sunrise of a crisp Nordic morning to the warm pink dawn in the Caribbean, the Connected Sleep and Wake Up Light offers 4 different sunrises to personalize each day. Design meets function with the new bespoke Jet Cordless Stick Vacuum. Innovative design combines a clean station, charging stand and powerful jet stick into one show-stopping vacuum. Available in contemporary colors and premium finishes to beautifully fit your decor and lifestyle. Built-in clean station lets you empty the dustbin at the press of a button while also charging your vacuum. The bespoke Jet is our most powerful jet stick yet, letting you tackle any mess across multiple floor types such as carpets, hard floors, and tile. The bespoke Jet is engineered around a lightweight, maneuverable design, plus a multi-stage filtration system that meets HEPA* standards and maintains cleaner air in your home. Includes 2 removable batteries for a cleaning time up to 120 minutes. Innovative features with our most premium finishes and colors, for a vacuum so stunning you'll want to show it off. Samsung's new Hexajet motor technology provides our strongest suction, with up to 210 AW of power, to pick up tough dirt from any surface while still being lightweight for maximum maneuverability. With the push of a button, the clean station empties the jet stick dustbin so you don't have to get your hands dirty. Then, take a deep breath knowing that the clean station captures 99% of dust and debris to keep the floor clean. Safety for cyclists is at the forefront of our design. Our company is based in a city location and as keen cyclists, we wanted to create something that would keep us visible and safe during our commute. A useful backpack that is perfect for commuters because of its durability and weight, that also has the benefit of LED signals for their safety. Cycling in the dusk at night isn't a problem when you're visible with CYGLO. The backpack gives people confidence that their intended movements are clear. CYGLO is a robust and foldable LED backpack that keeps cyclists visible and their intentions known. With 4 LED signals and a 20-hour battery life, CYGLO is perfect for commuting by bicycle. The remote control clips seamlessly onto the handlebars. The rider then uses the remote to wirelessly connect to the backpack to let traffic and other cyclists know their intentions. The 4 LED signals include turning right, turning left, a cycling signal and the hazard sign. Light and waterproof, CYGLO will fold down to the size of an iPad mini, but most importantly, the reflective material helps you stand out on the road. FLYNOVA is a mind-blowing flying spinner toy with an ingenious hidden drive mechanism that can perform incredible aerobatic tricks and stunts. Gadget simple to master in just a few minutes and a total blast to play alone or with friends. It can fly anywhere, makes a great Christmas gift and is the absolute cure for boredom. It's easy to get started with FLYNOVA. It looks like magic, but all you need to do is to spin it up and give it a toss. A miniature internal motor gives it the power to perform wild tricks. Different throwing speeds and angles allow different flight paths, tricks, and high-speed maneuvers. With just a few throws, you will quickly begin to understand the infinite possibilities for flight. Turn on the power button, hold the center axis, and spin the wheel to start FLYNOVA. Give it a toss to get flying, and after a few throws you will be doing cool tricks in no time. If you wish to stop playing, just grab FLYNOVA and stop the spinning. It's easy and safe. The enclosed wheel design protects your hands while spinning. Throw FLYNOVA upwards and it spins around its axis perpendicular to the direction of flight and returns to you in a safe, predictable manner like a boomerang. You can throw it and catch it yourself. This unique feature makes FLYNOVA perfect for solo play. All links to the products in the description below the video. I suggest you watch my video Top 7 Cool Tech Gadgets on Amazon AliExpress. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also give a like. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye. Bye guys.